everybody, this is Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and I'm going to teach you how to pick up a dropped stitch when you're knitting garter stitch. So when a stitch is dropped, you'll see bars, and you'll also see kind of a open loop down here. And what I did was when it dropped, I kept knitting, and then came back to the spot that it was dropped. So that's where I'm at now, and it's pretty simple on picking it back up. So you can either use kind of like a small crochet hook, or even the tip of a pencil will work too. So I'll use a pencil just because I'm sure most of you will have that. So how this is going to work is you are going to the loop that is open, you just kind of make that a little bit more prominent, and then you're going to look at the row that it's in. So in this row, you can tell that the blue yarn here is going into the green stitch. So we are going to be pulling this yarn through that green stitch. So we're going to come in from the back, loop over there. Pencil may be best. And kind of have that blue yarn picked up in that green stitch. So then you can see next to it, it's looking the same. So again, we'll kind of fluff that out a little bit and do the next one. So we have another blue kind of straight piece of yarn back here, which is what we're going to be picking up from. And we will look at the other stitches here. So this stitch now is coming in through this way because the loop is on the back here, or the little bump is on the back here. So you can either get that with a pencil or reach in with a crochet hook and grab it. And then you'll create another loop there. And then we just have one more to go. And the bump is on this side, so that means that the yarn is going from the front to the back. You can kind of push that loop through. We will grab the white loop. Maybe a crochet hook will be easier for this one. All right, so then the white loop will be pulled up, and we're going to put that on the left needle, and then you're just going to continue knitting. As you can see here, once we've gotten past that section, you can't even tell. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe.